Lavish Ruby, sis, we need to talk. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly, and when it boils down to it, I make videos on both fitness and Forex. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. We're gonna get right into it. So today, I strongly recommend that you watch every single last minute of this video because I'm going to be getting into the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So this video is my review for Lavish Life Academy's Forex Made Easy course, run and mentored by Lavish Ruby. Now, for those who don't know, Lavish Ruby is a YouTuber. She's also an entrepreneur. She's been running her businesses for a while. She mentors as well, which obviously you can tell from the title of her courses. And she is the ideal girl boss. I'm going to be completely honest. Like, when it comes down to girl boss, that girl is it. I'm going to start off by saying this video is not sponsored. I was not reached out to by Ruby or her Lavish Life brand or Lavish Life Academy in order to do this review. These are my sentiments. This is my experience. This is all my journey. These are all my words, all that. All my screenshots, except for inserts here and there of what may be from her course website, just to give you guys some background on her course. And yeah, so straight off the rip, let's get right into it. I'm simply making this video because every single day, and I kid you not, it's every single day, I get DMs of people asking me about Lavish Life Academy. What's my experience? What are different things that I like or dislike about the program? What are ways that they can be successful should they join? And I'm just putting it all into one video, just one package, so I can stop copy and pasting DM messages because you are literally asking me the same things, and my opinion has not changed. My opinion it's been the same through and through. Now, to start off, I'm going to start off by saying that I've been in Lavish Life Academy since May. So that's May, June, July, August. So that's a total of 4 months. I joined May 5th. And a little background about me. So prior to Lavish Life Academy, I was introduced to Forex back in 2018. And I had started studying on my own and looking into things, but I had started my own business at that time, and I kind of let studying Forex go by the wayside. And now, mind you, I was still a beginner and I didn't really know too much. I found out some of the basics, but that's about it. So fast forward to 2020, I made it one of my New Year's resolutions to dedicate time to mastering Forex this year. I wanted that to be one of my goals so I could finally get that skill checked and out of the way as one of my sources of income, because they say every millionaire has 7 streams of income. I'm trying to be one of them. I'm trying to be one of the millionaires out there. So this year I had been studying. I'd been looking for all of my information that I had found was for the most part I had been studying from free resources. I had looked into courses, and I wanted to get a really good foundation of Forex so I could be able to better judge what courses would be worth the money or what courses I would just kind of pass by. And I had gotten to a point where it felt like I was plateauing. I was just like, I feel like I have a good foundation, but it felt like I needed further guidance. Like it felt like I needed like a course or a mentor or something that can put it all together. And then like boom, one of my other New Year's resolutions was to get a mentor. So 2 weeks before Ruby dropped information on, I think it was her IG Live, she was talking about how, or no, maybe it was her YouTube, I can't remember, but she had talked about how she was going to be opening up her Forex mentorship again. Now, earlier in the year, I had saw it on her website, and I was wondering, I was just like, is she gonna start teaching Forex again? Because from her YouTube channel, I get the feeling that she's a genuine person, and she just comes off as wholehearted and genuine. So when I was looking into things, I was just like, if she ever opens up like her mentorship again, because she did have a mentorship in the past, I was just like, I think I'm going to get into that. I'm going to keep an eye out for this one. So 2 weeks before her giving that information, and I'm pretty sure it was her YouTube video, 2 weeks before her giving that information that she was dropping a course, I was literally about to join IML. Now, for those who don't know, IML is a program that has a course, and most I won't say most, a lot of us are introduced to Forex through IML. Like, we find out about Forex through IML. And it's because with IML, they have a platform where it has a course, but they also push multi-level marketing because they push recruiting because it's ultimately a multi-level marketing program where you recruit people and you get a residual income off of recruiting people, but they're not actually teaching you Forex. So I was just like, if I could just learn Forex on my own, maybe I could possibly get mentorship from IML. I'm not sure. Like, the reviews they're not looking too hot. They're not looking too hot. Like, I was 2 seconds away from joining IML and paying for their program, which is like, I don't know, it ranges between $135 a month to $230 a month. I don't know. Not interested. So boom. I'm pretty sure if you're on this video, you already know what Forex is at the very least, but I'll just say Forex, it stands for foreign exchange. It's the foreign exchange market. Just like we have the stock market, there's a foreign exchange market where you trade currencies. You can also trade cryptos, metals, different commodities, but Forex itself is the foreign exchange market where you're trading currencies. You're trading the currency difference. Lavish Life Academy, just for those who don't know, it is not a multi-level marketing company, so you don't have to recruit people. What Ruby's Forex Made Easy course is for is strictly trading. Like, you're learning how to trade. She teaches you how to trade. Let me say that again. She teaches you how to trade. You don't have to recruit people. You don't have to pay a $250 monthly fee. You pay your enrollment fee for the course itself, and then you pay a monthly fee. I think at the time of making this video, the monthly fee for her mentorship, her monthly mentorship, is $50. Now, what her program includes is the course itself. It includes mentorship. She includes webinars. She does weekly analysis, and there's also a community chat. And all of those things put together, packaged together, it creates a dynamic where you're able to learn in your best possible way. Now, when she says Forex Made Easy, I'm going to be real with you. She means it. I really don't know how Ruby was able to put together such a comprehensive course while getting straight to the point. She gets straight to the point in each and every one of her sections, the way she has her course laid out. She provides her strategies. She provides a community where the community is great. It has a lot of like-minded individuals who are focused on getting another stream of income, as well as possibly making Forex their full-time income. Oh, and she also gives signals. Ruby gives signals. So what signals are is she gives you trade ideas. She puts out what you could possibly be trading in order to make some money that day. And her signals, again, let me be real, her signals are like 90% profitable. 90% of the time, that girl is on the money. She is right. And I couldn't be more grateful. So before LLA, I was finding free resources online to learn Forex, because you can do that. I learned from YouTube University, Baby Pips. There's babypips.com where you can get like a good foundation of Forex. And I've also downloaded different Forex apps there where it's like different games or different things like that. And those are pretty good as well, just for getting a foundation. But of course, like Ruby's puts everything together. Like, there are testimonies every day of people saying like, oh, like I was trying to trade Forex before and trying to understand it, and this course kind of put the puzzle pieces all together. So like I said, like, the course is just a very comprehensive course of strategies that work. Her strategies work. Her signals work. So I know I'm kind of everywhere in this video, but I'm going to get into when I first joined LLA. Now, I talked about how 2 weeks before joining LLA, I was literally about to join a multi-level marketing company where they talk about trading Forex. And I bought Lavish Ruby's course that night because it was 2 a.m. First of all, it was 2 a.m. It was May 5th. And I kid you not, it was a Tuesday.
What did I use? Tuesday.
That night, I started going through the course. And I tell you, 2 hours into her course content, I was sitting there like, wow.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
I'm gonna get straight into the benefits of the course, and I have my laptop in front of me, so I'm gonna just be reading straight down the list. Boom, 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 hit the points. I've seen literally so much growth in my Forex journey since joining this program, and it's been nothing but good experience, especially for the price that Ruby offers this course at. It's crazy. So, like I said, okay, so I'm gonna get straight into the benefits. Now, benefit number one is the community. Like I already mentioned, the community is a place where everyone has a positive mindset, and everyone really encourages and motivates one another. It is inspiring. Every single day, someone's reaching a new level. Everyone's pushing each other. Point number two, Ruby teaches you how to trade. That is a benefit, because a lot of these programs out here, they hold their content to their chest. They don't want to give you all their secrets. They don't want to give you all the sauce. They don't want to give you all that information. They want to make sure that you're reliant on them so that they can make a coin. They want to make sure that they can make a coin off of you not knowing anything. So Ruby, she actually teaches you how to trade so that you can make your own money. Like, she doesn't care if you cancel your membership because you already have the skill, you already finished the program. Most of the people in the program, they stay. To be honest, most of the people stay because it's just that kind of community. Like, she makes sure that you know how to call your own trades. Within my first week, I was calling my own trades. I didn't have to rely on Ruby's signals. Now, mind you, like I said before, her signals are profitable. You'll make money with her signals, but like, she makes sure that you know what you're looking at in the markets so that you can make your own trades. And that's what I appreciate more than anything. Like, it's been crazy, the amount of growth. There was one day at the end of, I think it was at the end of my first month. Let me say that again. At the end of my first month, I was trading US 30, and I made my first $100 a day in an hour. I made $100 in an hour, 1 hour, trading an index. So a lot of other programs don't do that as well. They don't teach you how to trade indexes or stocks or commodities, different things like that, or metals. They don't teach you how to trade that. They make sure that that's something extra. They try to charge you something extra in order to learn those things. Not Ruby. She gives you the sauce. She makes sure you know how to trade, and I couldn't be more grateful. So that's benefit number two. Benefit number three is the instructor herself. She's always checking on us. She makes sure she's very thorough in her process. Like, she makes sure that she's able to get signals out to us. She trades more pairs than what she normally trades in order to make sure that we're good. Ruby, she gives us the accelerated version of what she knows, and she also shares her progress as well, which is very motivating. She wants to make sure that we're not just entering trade ideas that she sends out. She wants to make sure that we actually understand what we're trading. So she encourages that we analyze her signals first, make sure that we understand why she's saying to buy or sell, and enter the trade at your own risk. Oh, the ultimate benefit. How could I not have said this first? The ultimate benefit of the program is the price. The price. I've seen programs that cost anywhere between $500 to $4,000. Ruby's program at the time I'm making this video is $200. $200. There are just so many programs out there where they'll cost 20 times as much as her program and provide half as much, or not even a fraction. She's literally just selling us the gems, and at a discount. It's crazy. Like, I think on her enrollment page on her website, Lavish Life Academy, I'll link it below. But I think on the enrollment page, it says that this course would be valued at $4,000. And I believe it. It's crazy. There are people in our program making more than that. It pays for itself, to be quite honest. I know that I myself have seen a return on my investment in the program, and I am quite happy with the progress I've made and this program altogether. I don't normally take chances on courses. I always believe, like, oh, I can find free information out there, because that is what I do most of the time. I'm just a little bit about me. I'm a tech person, and I've been able to see what a lot of these other courses are offering for the free. And Ruby's course is the first course that I paid for now outside of university. And I'm not counting certifications or anything like that. I just mean from like different things that you see promoted. Ruby's course is the first course that I've taken a chance on, and I haven't looked back since. It's amazing. That's really all I have to say. That's all I have to say. I can't really think of any cons. We have people in, I think, 45 different countries now. So you can trade any of the trading sessions, and you type something, like, for example, you can type something into our community chat at 3 a.m. asking a question. Oh, how do I do this? you'll have an answer by at least 3:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll have an answer because our community is just that diverse and around the world, and it's just that active. It's that active. I couldn't be more grateful that I took a chance on taking this course, because learning how to trade, not just in the foreign exchange market, but learning how to trade in general is a lifelong skill. And normally, because it's a lifelong skill and it's profitable, people normally charge 20 times as much, and Ruby is offering this program at a very affordable price. And I feel like, especially from the testimonials I've seen and even for myself, I feel like this program is life-changing. I'm going to be completely honest. I feel like the program is life-changing. It's life-changing. All you have to do is apply yourself, and you have the support of the program, the mentor, the community, all of that. She's not someone who holds back her keys to success. She literally gives us the keys. Sis gives us the keys. She lets us drive our own success whip. And I would recommend it 20 times over. 5 stars, straight up. So that's it for this video. What are your thoughts on Forex? Are you thinking about joining Lavish Life Academy's Forex program, Forex Made Easy program? What are your thoughts? I want to see your thoughts down in the comments. Drop some thoughts, drop your experience. If you are a part of the LLA fam, drop your experience in the comments below, and ask questions. Ask questions in the comments. Like I said, I get DMs daily. So if you ask questions in the comments and I can answer them, then other people can see your answers. Other people will be able to see my answers as well. And it can help so many other people. But that, like I said, that's it for this video. I hope this video was valuable and I hope it helped you. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.